got it programmed now to come back to its point, so you know, unless you run into something, you don't have to worry about crashing.
Right. Okay. Trying to get my bearing as to my altitude because we came down such a big hill. Okay. Quick power line and tower check.
What we're going to do is set down over. I see how it is. You can live by yourself.
Got a couple of does. Looks like. Oh, it's a bedded doe right here. Okay. Bend down again there. Okay.
Okay, let me run through this list real quick. You have beer, water, dietary, Powerade, green apples, red apples.
I'm okay. I'm okay, I promise. Not right now. I'm good, thank you. I found 3 more does. One is still bedded. She ain't hungry. Found 3 more does. Yeah, it looks like a big doe and 2 of her last year's fawns, probably. Look at all that. Let's see. Good. Three does. There. There's another one. There's a seventh. Excuse me, fifth one. All right.
It's funny, I spent a couple $1,000 getting this hole emptied out, and I'm about to spend $2 more thousand.
Oh god!
Putting it all back in.
I just found a group of either 6 or 7 does. They're in some thick pines, somewhere down there.
Yeah.
And now I got 2 by themselves. So what is this? And this is over in the way up at the top. And what is this? Where are they? Maybe the bucks. Let's see here. Oh yeah, there's a buck. Hang on, this thing moves around when I'm. Let's see where I'm at here real quick. Got a loose signal here. Sure. There's one.
I can't tell much about his rack.
Yeah, I was trying to go down and I was losing signal. I'm only 1,600 feet away, but I'm on the other side of the top of the hill, I think.
Looks like a decent spread on it, man.
Yeah. So there's latency between my controls, too.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's see here.
There's another something right above it.
There is, yeah. Let's see if I can get to it.
Chris, how much corn was in there? All the way empty. So y'all only put one bag in, right?
He doesn't have much on his head. Like you said, unless he's shed.
Yeah, he's got a good big body, though.
Let's see. I think he's just little spikes. See that? Let me see if I can get lower. Not use signal. No, see it's. Is this the same cluster? This is a different cluster of deer. Oh shoot! Hang on, I'm gonna mark this real quick.
Return to home.
I think that's a different cluster of deer. Yep, man, I'm finding a heap of deer, bro. Oh yeah, there's a lot of deer in this neighborhood. Mm-hmm. So that's looks like 6 deer. So we got 1, 2. Oh, somebody's moving. what you look like, buddy. Just another doe. Okay, 6 does. Either a black coyote, and that's his back leg. This is his head. I think that's what it is.
I think that's 2 coyotes.
I mean, it could be 2, but I think
I don't
that's.
think that's a hole anymore.
No, I don't think it's a hole.
Middle and lighter on the sides.
Yeah, I definitely don't think it's a hole. I wish you could make noise. I don't have a speaker on this thing. Okay, anyway. Oh, yep, there's his ear. See? He keeps flicking his ear a little bit. There he is. There he is, the black coyote, a really dark coyote.
Oh, yeah. That's a big coyote.
He looks big.
That is a big
There he is.
Moving.
There he is. It's just coyote.
It's a big black coyote. He's a big boy.
Not a bear.
Coyote?
Yeah. White feet.
Oh, look at him. I was like, why won't that thing leave me alone?
He does. He looks old.
He's cute, though. Probably wouldn't act cute, but he's cute.
Yeah. I told you, he wasn't far from that deer. So, that's him. Go up. Let's find the deer.
Does it have like a heat sensor thing on there or something?
Yeah. Where are we here?
That's why he's coming out. It's a thermal thing. It's a.
Yeah, there's the deer right there.
What?
Oh, wow.
There's a deer not far from the. Yeah, right there.
I see it's self-looking.
Mm-hmm. Isn't that crazy? It's insane. Maybe he is old. Deer out off the menu for him.